HYPOTHEkids started with a simple observation: the diversity of the STEAM field did not reflect the diversity of New York City. So our founders created a nonprofit to help underrepresented students thrive in STEAM through free hands-on education, training, and internship opportunities, setting them on a path towards well-paying jobs and career success. They capitalized on close relationships with cutting-edge scientists at Columbia University and the biotech incubator Harlem Biospace to bring students transformative work-based learning experiences. HYPOTHEkids understood the need to ignite a passion for STEAM at a young age and recognized that many low-income communities lack the resources to do so. That's why we created a fun and engaging hands-on science curriculum that helps underrepresented elementary students identify as budding scientists and plants the seeds for a high-tech future. We partner with the New York Public Library and community-based organizations such as BronxWorks and Harlem Boys and Girls Club to deliver hands-on science to under-resourced after-school and summer programs, including in New York City public housing. Our HYPOTHEkids include all the materials and guidance these sites need to teach STEAM easily and effectively. For high school students, we deliver 2 free intensive STEAM training programs that prepare them for college and beyond: HK Maker Lab and New York Bioforce. In these programs, students learn high-tech skills from scientists at world-renowned research and healthcare institutions. We conduct HK Maker Lab in close collaboration with Columbia Engineering. Through this rigorous summer program, our high school students receive hands-on training in engineering design. Let's hear from our students.
My experience at Bioforce was amazing. I initially thought that it would be more of a classroom experience where you sit down, you learn, take notes, and then at the end you go to your lab and you apply that knowledge. But it was more than that. They brought in a lot of speakers who really talked to the kids about their different career paths.
So Maker Lab immediately piqued my interest when my science teacher gave me a flyer for it. And I just saw it and I knew immediately that I had to apply it off the bat because it was such a vast opportunity to broaden my horizon.
My experience with Bioforce, during the training portion we were taught a lot of different things about a career in science, how to communicate science effectively. We were actually taught the biology of hair care, the biology of skin care, and all these different things. And I felt very supported by the program, Jasleen specifically.
HYPOTHEkids was founded in 2013, and since then, over 20,000 young people have benefited from our programming. More than 90% of our high school alumni have gone on to pursue 4-year STEM degrees. And our tailored approach for young students has led to measurable increases in their competence in science and math and their interest in a STEAM career. Through education and mentorship, we are empowering. Through free opportunities, we are breaking down barriers. And where our work ends, our alumni continue on, armed with the tools to succeed. They inspire their peers and blaze trails, often becoming the first in their families to graduate from college. They are why we exist, and their success is what motivates us to grow and innovate. HYPOTHEkids' work would not be possible without our supporters, including our generous funders, our dedicated instructors, internship hosts, guest speakers, and our STEAM nonprofit, academic, and government partners. Your support, no matter the size or form, will help develop a STEAM workforce that reflects the diversity of New York City and prepares underrepresented youth to thrive in a high-tech economy. Please join us in our vision in creating the next generation of scientists and engineers that reflect the diversity of New York City.